So hello guys, today we are going to start about the topic software testing. So let's start. Software testing. So software testing is a process of verifying and validating a software application or system to ensure that it meets the specified requirements and functionality or functions are intended. So in simple words we can also say like it is a process that checks the software application works properly or not. For example, we have mobile application. We are using mobile application these days. So we can say like software application, it is nothing but it is developed by using software application only. No, so specified requirements and functions. Suppose in a mobile we have taken functions like if we press power button, it should switch off the mobile, but it is not switch offing the mobile. So here the functionality is not working properly. What we have expected that it should switch off, but it is not doing the or following the functionality of that. In simple words we can say like if you have taken any functionality of an application, we have many functionality in the mobile applications, right? So I'm taking only two, or you can take many for taking your example. So I'm taking like a pressing on power button. If you long press on the power button, the mobile should get switched off, but it is not doing that process, that which is the process of switching off the mobile. For example, if you have taken any fingerprint scanning, we have in many of the applications we have like if you scan the fingerprint only, the application will open, the app will open. For example, WhatsApp, or if you have any security apps like Paytm, mobile banking apps. For the banking apps, we will keep the fingerprint options, or we can enter pin or fingerprint. So if you enter the pin, the app should open. If we scan the fingerprint, the app should open. But if we enter the pin or if we scan the fingerprint, if the both of the condition, if the application is not opening, then what's the reason behind that? The reason behind that may be error or bug which is stopping that app to open. So to get over rid of these types of situations, if the application is developed, then we'll do the process that is called testing process. So in that testing process, we will find the bugs, errors, or any that will stop the application to go in a flow of working. So in the software testing, there is two types: manual testing. So in the software testing, we have two types: manual testing and automation testing. In the manual testing, what is the definition of manual testing? Testing an application without any tools is known as manual testing. Then we can easily understand that automation means testing an application with the help of tools is nothing but automation testing. So here in manual testing, the test engineers will test the application manually, but in the automation we'll use the tools. So consider we have many tools like we can say Selenium, JMeter, Cucumber. We have many tools like Selenium, JMeter, Cucumber, and we have many other tools, but Selenium is the most popular tool which we'll use. So in short, we can say like, why we need software testing? So if an application is not working properly, or if we in a developed application, we must if we releasing any application, so before giving to the user, first we have to check whether that the application is working fine or not. Without testing, if you release the application into the market, then it may chances that your application may get failed, because if you get many error, if the functionality is not working properly, who will use the application? No one will be interested to use that application. So we have got the process of testing, so that there will be no errors and the process may work smoothly. Thank you.